Yeah, what one?
The pretty one.
Oh, yeah, take it out afterwards. Do it later. Let's do this one first. So scale it.
Pretty scale.
Flip it over.
Are there scales on the underneath?
I don't know. Anything? Is it okay? Not too much?
Just like overbred the spine.
Wow, look at the belly. So, usually we fillet them, but I think Grandpa wants a whole. So let's
Grandpa wants a whole?
let's just cut knife here. Let's just take the knife maybe and cut it here. Take your finger
Right
and just
here?
pull out the guts.
This little thing right here?
Yeah, somehow. And we'll put it on here. Here, I got another one. It's crazy. This guy tried to eat a whole anchovy. Anchovy the size of him. We had like 3-inch anchovies. Poke it. Tip. Tip, tip. There you go. Nice and easy. There you go. Nice and easy. There you go. Okay. Now you're a surgeon and not a butcher. Hey. Okay. Just use your finger now. You can probably cut straight through, huh? Okay. So.
Sure here.
Yeah. Let me get you something to cut on. Okay. Any food in him? They were sure not much. Just take your finger in there and just take the guts out. That's it. So, you know what? Let's see on this side. Yeah, there's no meat here. So just cut around here and let's just get the meat out, or the guts out, and then Grandpa can clean them up better. Those are tasty though. Spent $20-something at Monterey
Aha, here's the guts.
to eat sandads. There you go. You can cut a little more of the belly out. You can actually probably cut this triangle out and just cut the belly out.